Good morning, guys. So it's been about 5 days since I installed my Microlocs, but it's almost been 2 weeks since I've washed my hair. So my hair needs to be washed, and because I was gonna try to wait another week, but my hair kind of smells. So I've been using this little concoction I made. It's just water with lavender and tea tree oil. Here we are. And I was using those because I thought my hair would, need the moisture and stuff, but it needs to actually be washed. So I've seen everyone use that Suave clarifying shampoo, but I couldn't find it where I was at, and I wasn't trying to look for it either because of this whole quarantine thing. So I did pick up this clarifying shampoo. It's a VO5 kiwi lime squeeze with lemongrass extract clarifying shampoo. And then I have my water bottle here. I'm gonna put about that much shampoo in it, and then the rest water. And then I have my rubber bands, of course. I got the rubber bands and the clarifying shampoo at Dollar Tree, so it's very inexpensive. So I'm about to go ahead and braid and band my hair. Okay, so I finished the braiding and banding. I have like 3 rubber bands left over that I had taken out, so. All right, so I'm going to fill up my spray bottle with still smell the conditioner. I used this spray bottle when I was taking out my locks, so let me rinse it out real fast. So let's see if I can even, yeah. So it's sudsy. All right, so I'm gonna go into the shower and wash my hair, and I'll come back when I am out. Okay, so I just finished washing my hair, and I put it in this t-shirt to dry, or to soak up some of this extra water. I have a hiccup, so excuse that. That's what this is looking like. I don't feel any residue. I made sure to rinse really well, and to make sure to rinse in between. Oh my gosh, in between the braids as well. So I'm about to just cut off these rubber bands and let my hair air dry. Okay, so that just took like 7 minutes of my life. All the rubber bands are out, and I'm gonna let my hair air dry in these braids. I'm not gonna unravel them at all. I just want them to air dry in these braids, and I'll come back later on today with my hair fully air dried. I hope they don't take too long, because they are really, the braid itself is very compact. So I don't know, but I'll come back later on. I don't see any slippage of anything, so that's good. My hair smells so good. It smells so good. So yeah, I'll come back later on. Oh, actually, I'm gonna take a little bit of oil and run that through my scalp real quick because it feels really dry. I didn't add too much. I literally added like a couple fingertips worth and spread out all throughout my hair. So I didn't want to add any really additional products, but I don't want my hair to be, I don't want my scalp to be like irritated and dry and stuff, so. All right, I'll come back to you guys when I am, excuse me. I'll come back to you guys when my hair is all dry, and I'll take out the braids on camera for you guys so you guys can see the definition. Okay, bye. So it's been a couple hours, more like 5 hours. And I'm gonna take the braids down, but I'm not gonna like fluff it out or anything like that, or separate them. But I'm just gonna take them down to so they can continue drying because it's been a while. I did not wash my hair at like 11 and it's 4. Okay, so I just finished taking down all the braids and I ended up fluffing them out anyways. So they weren't, I thought they were gonna be more wet. It's not even wet, it's very, like, barely damp. So they're for the most part dry. This braid out is pretty nice. It's very flat, which is not ideal. But definitely loving this. Definitely loving this. Okay, flip it. So I'm done. I'm there to do anything else. My hair is nice and clean. It smells amazing. These little small ones are very crooked, so that's kind of funny. But I can like shake my head and the aroma just smells so good. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye.